Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Emergency SOS feature on Oppo phone. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the settings menu here on your Android or Oppo phone, and then scroll down until you find this menu, the security menu here. Click on that, and then scroll down until you find this menu, Emergency SOS. Click on that. Okay, so the Emergency SOS here is a feature that help you to find the to help you in case of emergency situation, but you need to set up the emergency information first. Just click on this and then add. Okay, so you need to fill in the medical card, or your medical card, your name, for example, my name, and then height in centimeters, okay, and weight, and also sex, or female, and then blood type, date of birth, and then also organ donor. And if you're done, just click on the check icon at the top right. Okay, so just like that, your emergency information has been created, and this can be used on the emergency call and also disaster alerts page to give first responder the critical information they need. Okay, so that's it from me. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.